go there. It's too deep. There, stay there. Stay. Gabe, go. Stay back. Yeah, don't go to the deep end.
Why do you do that? I'm standing here.
Hi. You're doing good. Look, we have a mermaid in the pool. Show me your tail. Yeah? Yep. Wow, look at that. We have a mermaid. Thank you. It's really pretty. Gabe, you're doing it. Wow, Kayla, you're doing it.